Hi everybody, it's Sue Knott with Minnesota Agriculture in the Classroom. I'm here with my daughters Maria and Alyssa, and we have some fun breakfast ideas to share with you that are made from three animals, or products from three animals that are grown here in Minnesota. So Maria, what's the first item?
Eggs from chickens.
And Alyssa, what else do we have?
Canadian bacon from pigs.
And finally,
cheese from dairy cows.
all right, so we have chickens that give us eggs, pigs that give us Canadian bacon, and cheese from our favorite dairy cows. All right, so we have a fancy breakfast sandwich maker that Maria's going to show us how to use.
So, first you take up the two handles, put the bottom of the English muffin into the breakfast sandwich maker, add cheese.
Here, let's move this a little forward so people can see. All right.
And then add the Canadian bacon. Or you can add any other toppings that you want on your breakfast sandwich. Then you take down the top handle and take an egg and crack it in there.
Perfect. Okay, why don't you put the shell over there?
Then you're gonna take the top English muffin. Wait, first you wanna pierce the yolk with a fork so it cooks all the way. Then you're gonna take the top English muffin and just place it on there.
All right, and then we close the lid.
And then you close the lid.
And we're gonna let that cook for a couple minutes. While that's cooking, Alyssa's gonna show us how to make some egg bites. So first I think we need to crack this egg, right?
Wait, no, first. So you fill this up to the 100 line, and you pick this up and dump it in there, which I already
Right,
did.
we filled it up with water, so that's gonna help our egg bites cook. Okay, now we're ready to crack our egg.
So we'll crack an egg.
Ooh, there we go.
That got on me, but that is okay. And then you put milk.
About a teaspoon of milk.
Yes. And stir.
Yep, stir it all up. We want to get the egg white and the egg yolk mixed together with that milk. So keep stirring a little bit.
And I chose the thing to stir. The whisk. Yeah.
All right, that looks great. I'll take your whisk.
And then you want to try and even it out in between these, which I'm pretty bad at, but I'll try. That looks good. I can add more to it. Okay, so then you can choose ingredients to put on top. So I'm gonna put some cheese, cause who doesn't like cheese?
Lots of, we picked shredded cheddar, but you can put whatever cheese you want. All right, that looks good with the cheese. What's our next item?
Canadian bacon. And then that's about good.
Okay, then we have the top that we would put on, and then the steam, the water would heat up and those would cook with steam. But we have two egg makers. So Alyssa, why don't you dump those out on the plate and we'll see what the finished product looks like. Just dump them out. They just dump out really well.
Just turn it over.
There you go. So we have a little one and a big one. And so they would be a great part of a healthy breakfast with the eggs from chicken, the cheese from dairy cows, and the Canadian bacon. So
From pigs.
Right, from pigs, thank you. So Maria, slide in here and show us how is your breakfast sandwich cooking. We'll get this out of the way.
I'm just gonna check it quickly. You pull this thingy out. It's usually clean, and then you pull these
Here, let me do that and you can, there we go.
tabs off, and then we're gonna just push it off there onto a plate, and
Voila! All right, so we have some excellent breakfast ideas. Can you guys hold those up and show everybody? We have Alyssa helped us make the egg bites, and Maria made a breakfast sandwich maker. And I do have to thank my Aunt Pat Schweitzer, who gave us these fun kitchen gadgets from Hamilton Beach, where she works. We hope you enjoy some fun breakfasts packed with protein, with eggs, pork, cheese, whatever else you want thanks to agriculture here in Minnesota. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.